Hello, and welcome to this video presentation on Lesson 2, Academic and Collaboration Tool Navigation. In this video, I will show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to locate and navigate through the academic and collaboration tools on Brainfuse. Before explaining this step-by-step process, I will provide you with some brief insight regarding the academic and collaboration tools on Brainfuse. Brainfuse has a vast assortment of different academic and collaboration tools. These academic and collaboration tools are accessible to students at just the click of a button and can be accessed at any time. The academic tools consist of the Skill Surfer, Leap Learning Platform, Flashbulb, Language Lab, and eParachute tools. The collaboration tools consist of both the Meet and Brainwave tools. Academic tools are made up of supplemental instructional content. The collaboration tools provide students with the ability to schedule virtual and private study rooms and even gives them the ability to create instructional videos. Unfortunately, many who are unfamiliar with Brainfuse are unaware of how to locate and navigate through these educational resources. TSC tutors being knowledgeable in locating and navigating through the academic and collaboration tools is important in order to better assist students with utilizing these resources. I will now show you a brief step-by-step tutorial on how to locate and navigate through these resources. Please note that for this instructional video, I will begin at the Brainfuse homepage. If by any chance you are unfamiliar with how to access Brainfuse, I have provided an instructional step-by-step video on how to access Brainfuse from the official Texas Southmost College website in Lesson 1. You may refer to this video as much as you need to. The first step is to look at the home screen of Brainfuse. You will see a vast amount of tools. Scroll down on the section that reads Academic Tools. From there, you will see all the academic tools that are easily accessible to students at Texas Southmost College. To find the Skill Surfer tool, click next to the picture of a blue wave that reads Skill Surfer. From the Skill Surfer tool, you can navigate through a number of academic content such as lessons, videos, and practice tests. Now I am going to show you the Leap Learning Platform tool. To find the Leap Learning Platform tool, click next to the picture of a red hand with a pencil that reads Leap Learning Platform. You will then be taken to the Leap home screen. The Leap Learning Platform tool allows you to access content such as courses, quizzes, live tutoring, and online tutoring resources. To find the Flashbulb tool, click next to the picture of purple cards that reads Flashbulb. You could access a number of different flashcard creation tools and games for many subjects. If you wish to create your own flashcards, you will need to create a free Flashbulb account. Now let's access the eParachute tool. To find the eParachute tool, click next to the image of the pink lowercase e. Click the words eParachute to access it. You will then be taken to a fun interactive survey where you will discuss your personality, interests, skills, and career goals. After completing the survey, you will then be presented with career or major recommendations based on your interest and skill sets. The next academic tool that we will navigate through is the Language Lab tool. To find the Language Lab tool, click next to the image of 3 green letter A's with accents. You will click where it says Language Lab. From here, you could receive tutoring for different languages. The Language Lab also has a vocabulary builder section. From here, students can practice vocabulary and other languages such as Spanish, French, German, and even Italian. If you look below the academic tools section, you will see a series of links to all the collaboration tools. One of these collaboration tools is the Meet tool. To find the Meet tool, click next to the image of three people colored in orange communicating with each other. The Meet tool allows students to schedule private, online meetings and study sessions with friends and classmates. The last collaboration tool is the Brainwave tool. To find the Brainwave tool, click next to the image of a purple colored head with a brain and waves. Click the words Brainwave to access the tool. You will then be taken to the Brainwave homepage. Here, you can create instructional videos for a variety of subjects. In summary, Brainfuse offers academic and collaboration tools that are accessible to students at Texas Southmost College. The academic tools offered by Brainfuse include the Skill Surfer, Leap Learning Platform, Flashbulb, Language Lab, and eParachute tools. The collaboration tools consist of both the Meet and Brainwave tools. Tutors must be knowledgeable on how to locate and navigate through these academic and collaboration tools in order to better assist students who have concerns accessing and navigating through these resources themselves. A tutorial on how to locate and navigate through the academic and collaboration tools on Brainfuse was explained and provided you a step-by-step process to accomplishing this task. I hope that you enjoyed this brief step-by-step video presentation on academic and collaboration tool navigation. Thank you and have a wonderful day.